So, you broke your phone. Not ideal. But did you know that we now do in-store repairs at EE? Our expert technicians are right here and ready to get your phone back to its best, quickly and to the highest standards. They're specially trained to fix a wide range of phones, as well as being authorised by all the major manufacturers. And of course, your warranty is safe with us. It's protected, regardless of what network you're on. All you need to do is book an appointment online and drop your phone off at the store. We'll get the repair done and have your phone back to tip-top condition in a flash. Because we know no one wants to be left without their phone for too long. If we can't get it repaired in store, we'll send the phone off to our specialist facility. But don't worry, usually it takes just 8 days to get it fixed and back to you. So, next time you have a little mishap with your mobile, come and see us. We'll get your phone fixed in a flash.